Hello everybody, welcome to Ignite Wrestling Pro. I'm the Mastermind Ollie Spring, and today, in association with Hitting the Turnbuckle, we present Buckle Up, live from 96 Shenley Road. Scotty Rawk making his debut here in Ignite.
How are we feeling, Bollywood? We good?
Kicking off a sold-out show. Hitting the Turnbuckle in Ignite Wrestling Pro, a match made in heaven, if you will. And a big day for Scotty Rawk. Making his debut in Ignite Wrestling Pro. Behind a huge wave of momentum, making his name known up and down the country. But speaking of names that are known, this man, a household name in Boreham Wood. Nino Bryant had one of the best years of anybody in Ignite Wrestling Pro over our first 12 months. Winning the Breakout Division Battle Bowl trophy. And if you ask me, if it wasn't for Taylor James, this man would be our champion right now. And as Nino looks to try and ascend back to the top, back for a shot at the gold, he's going to have to get past Scotty Rawk in the way. And let me tell you folks, that will be no easy feat. There's the opening bell. And folks, buckle up, because this will be a good one. Nice little show of respect there from Scotty. That's what we like to see. That's what Ignite Wrestling Pro is all about. And Scotty Rawk controlling that wrist, and what a way to debut in a new town and a new promotion against essentially their golden boy. Nino Bryant, one of the faces of Ignite Wrestling Pro over our first 12 months. Whereas Scotty coming in, fresh face, new to the crowd. So where Nino's got the crowd on his side already, Scotty's got some work to do. This slow feeling out process continues. Of course, the first time these two meeting inside a ring. A test of both men's skills. A chance to see what both men can bring to the table in this environment. A new challenge for Scotty, a new challenge for Nino, and a nice head scissors there from the Boreham Wood boy. Head scissors with that top hammerlock. Floats into the pin, and Scotty forced to expend some energy and get that shoulder up. And turnabouts of fair play. Nino says, you want to wrench my arm? I'll wrench yours. But now all of a sudden the speed picking up and mere millimeters away from connecting with that drop kick. Leapfrogs up, goes low, waist lock again. It springs up, rolls through. Nino Bryant saying, catch me if you can, gets him into the pin. But Scotty gets a shoulder up and a big back elbow. Oh, chop to the chest of Nino Bryant. That's going to leave a mark. Springs up again though, look at that. Just how quick he gets onto that top rope. Springs down into the arm drag. And again springs up. Head scissors takeover. Nino Bryant showing Scotty Rawk just why he's less popular here in Boreham Wood. Catches the leg. Oh, another big chop to the chest. Irish whip. Now Scotty springs up. Oh, but wait.
Ah! Oh, my ankle's gone. Bro. Oh.
I think Scotty Rawk went to spring up and over, landed awkwardly on his ankle. He just saw it buckle, and that maybe a nasty sprain, maybe even a fracture.
Oh, God. Let's see if I can wait there. Oh, that's tender, man. Do you reckon you can carry on? Sure. You can get him, sorry.
Nino checking on him and Nick checking on him. Scotty reckons he can continue. And Scotty says, "Yeah, I want to carry on, but yeah, no, folks, I think this isn't looking good for Scotty, folks." Unfortunately, these things do happen in wrestling. Famous man once said, "It's not ballet. Sometimes it's a submission hold that can do the damage. Other times it's just simply just trying to land on your feet." You hate to see it, especially on a debut. I'm sure Scotty will be back, folks. We know this isn't the way he would want his debut to go, but as always, Scotty Rawk gave it 100%, and you hate to see it. With that in mind, though, we still have a stacked card here. Hey, what? What? Oh! Scotty Rawk just... What the hell? Scotty, are you kidding me? Nino with the shoulder up, and all of a sudden, the complexion of this match turns 180. Scotty Rawk, what the hell? And just like that, turning the screws. Oh, chop to the heart of Nino. I am near speechless, and you'll know me, that doesn't happen very often. But Nino fighting back now, turning Scotty Rawk into the punch bag he deserves to be. Oh, handful of hair. Scotty Rawk pulling the wool over everyone's eyes. He had me fooled, he had Nino fooled, he had referee Nick fooled. We all felt sorry for him. Oh! Brain buster to Nino. Shoulder up Nino, showing his heart right now. That is the heart that carried him to the Battle Bowl final. That is the heart that carried him into a #1 contendership. And that is the heart that has kept Nino Bryant going in Ignite Wrestling Pro, despite all the roadblocks and the speed bumps that have been put in front of him. But now Scotty Rawk is going to find out just what Nino Bryant brings to the Ignite Wrestling Pro roster. Although I fear it may be too late for Nino right now, because that move from Scotty, folks, that was despicable. Oh my goodness. Enziguri round the side of the head. And where Scotty Rawk was feigning the injury, I think Nino right now is feeling, oh, wait, blocks the kick, throws a headbutt, just using anything he can right now. Nino Bryant got caught again, leg wrapped up. Oh, and a pump kick right to the side of the knee. Sometimes, under the pressure, people turn to diamonds. 1, 2, other people crack and turn to coal, and that is exactly what we've seen from Scotty Rawk right now. Catches the kick again, though. Oh, turns him inside out, lands on his feet, and now turnabout's fair play. Scotty turns him inside out, rolls him through. Oh, question mark kick right across the spine. And now into that last Chancery. Chancery hooked in. Nino putting all the torque on the back of the neck and the spine of Nino Bryant right now. He's got that grip hooked in, and Nino's smart, going the direction of the pressure. Getting his foot under the rope, and Nick making the count, but that was smart from Nino Bryant. Often that fight or flight instinct will just result in you scratching and clawing your way forwards. But Nino was smart, went against the pressure, and was able to escape the hold. Well, because, oh my goodness, Scotty Rawk going for that huge flying senton, and Nino felt it coming. He got out of the way, and that was a bad landing for Scotty Rawk. Couldn't have happened to a nicer guy. And now you see the fire and determination on the face of Nino. One uppercut in the corner. There's a corner drop kick. And now the Boreham Wood boy firing back on Scotty Rawk. He's come a long way to get his ass kicked. Back elbow. Oh, drop kick from Nino. Folks, the pendulum of momentum is swinging back and forth in this one. Look at this, Nino. Quick escape, off the ropes, big running shotgun boot. Oh, just a 2 count. Just a 2 count for Nino, but right now we are seeing Nino Bryant dig deep, just like he did in the Breakout Division tournament. And just like he would have done if he'd been given half the chance at Corey McRae if it wasn't for Taylor James. Up on the shoulders. Torture rack position, turns him round. Wheelbarrow, oh wait. Oh, launches him throat first into the ropes. Oh, and there's the senton. Snap German, just rapid fire offense from Scotty Rawk right now. Oh, 2 count only. It seems the curse of the commentator. I mentioned how the momentum in this match shifting back and forth. And just when Nino was in the driving seat, he gets thrown shoulder first into that solid steel post. Well, Scotty Rawk has heard good things about Nino. The Ignite Wrestling Pro fans, they have seen firsthand just what this kid brings to the table, and they love him for it. Nino looking for a superplex in front of a sold-out Bletchley Road. Oh, big headbutt, and oh wait, Nino hung up in the tree of woe. Wait, springs up belly to belly release suplex. Oh! But Scotty Rawk retaliates with that hesitation drop kick. And of course I said Shenley Road. And the packed out Shenley Road showing some appreciation for Scotty's athleticism, but essentially the execution, close to that of being bullied for Nino. And now looking for a belly-to-belly superplex, belly-to-back superplex off the top rope, and Nino fighting out with everything he's got. Look at this, moonsault off the second rope, lands on his feet. Scotty Rawk lands on his feet. Oh my goodness, and just a big knee right off the jaw. Picks him up, Ushigoroshi into the pin, 1, 2. Nino with the shoulder up, and while Scotty Rawk's face is that of shock and dismay, everyone here in Ignite Wrestling Pro knows that Nino can take a beating like this and keep kicking out. Blocks the kick. Up on the shoulders, torture rack position. Face buster with the pin. 1, 2, 3. Nino Bryant fights back against all odds. In a match that started off as a sporting contest, Scotty Rawk wanted to turn it into a drama. But Nino Bryant, despite all of the tricks that Scotty Rawk brought to the table, and you know what they say about the boy who cried wolf, or in this case, the boy who cried ow my ankle. And Scotty Rawk, thanks for coming. Forget about hitting the turnbuckles, you'll be hitting the showers. Whereas Nino Bryant's going to be hitting Boreham Wood to celebrate another victory on his way back to the top of Ignite Wrestling Pro, and more appearances like that, and management will not be able to deny Nino another title shot, because damn it, he deserves it.